I'm coming back with another video. I'm down there posting all day today. I'm putting y'all a hit. So I gave y'all the list of the apps, and now this is how you download them and what it's gonna look like when you download them. So boom, this is a video on CoinBase Pro. CoinBase, really, I'm gonna show you all of them. But before I go any further, scroll down, leave a like, and subscribe for more get money content, free game content. You know what I'm saying? I'm literally about to load y'all up. I done got motivated, like I said in the last video. I'm putting it all out there. I'm telling y'all everything I know. Do your own research with this, and you're gonna succeed. But anywho, you look up Coinbase in the App Store. You feel me? Get Coinbase Wallet, and then get Coinbase. Coinbase Pro is for more advanced traders. You feel me? That's like once you figure it out, then you can go through there because it's a little bit different how you work it there. But Coinbase Wallet. Now I'm gonna take you through Coinbase. Boop, you open Coinbase. Pretty simple, you know what I'm saying? You make an account when you download it. I got me $130 in there. You know what I'm saying? Boop. You download this. This is what this look like. Now say you wanna buy some Bitcoin, so you would click buy. You feel me? You would click Bitcoin. You would buy, you know what I'm saying? You would buy your, there, pretty much, you see it. Buy, sell is your portfolio. Nah, it's loading a little slow. Send is how you send it. Like say you want to send it. This pretty much what you do when you're trying to load up, because it already limits you on how much you can spend. It depends on how much you verify yourself and how long you done had it and etc. But to send this to your other account, you would just click send. And you would put in your address. Now convert is converting currencies. Like you can convert it from Bitcoin to Ethereum. You can convert a couple of them, and you can convert it to cash. When you click more, it give you more options. You get to receive, so you can send somebody your address to receive something. You can add cash. You know what that means. And cash out. You know what that means. So boom, that's Coinbase. You're gonna want to download that. Set up the account. Coinbase Wallet. You want to do the same thing with this. You feel me? Now, this one of my wallets. I got a couple wallets where I got some stuff in them. You can have unlimited wallets, but you make your account. Boom, you do your thing. You feel me? You do all that. That's pretty much it. Send, same thing. You can send in your portfolio. You can receive, and you can trade. Like, pretty much the same thing. Now, next video I make, I'm going to teach y'all how to do the Uniswap. Because you do Uniswap through Coinbase Wallet. And that's how you convert the currencies that's not mainstream. Like all on here, say you want to buy something on here, it's all mainstream, like BTC. Oh, wait, this is what I have. My bad. I'm not cutting this either. I'm gonna just show you. And you can do NFTs here, but it's a better app for that. I'm gonna put y'all a hit. But this, you see all these mainstreams. Now the crypto that I invest in, they be like, how can I explain it? They down there like, y'all remember Wolf of Wall Street? How they was doing the penny stocks? Like the crypto we be doing is micro pennies. Like it'd be several zeros past the penny. Like for an example, I'll show you one. How can I show you what this was worth? You know what? It's on the Dex tools. I'm gonna show y'all that in the next video. Stay tuned for this series. Just watch all the videos in this free game playlist. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment some more stuff y'all want to see. Patreon in the bio. More heat coming over there. I'm gonna just give you a nice 5 out of 10 solid videos in this playlist, and it's gonna get you ready.